Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our today's video on latest vlog about comebacks and goodbyes. Sino kaya ito at yung show yan? Malaman natin. Subscribe na to the YouTube channel. Gusto ko ba? Likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin tayo ng 500 subscribers if supportan natin ang social media accounts ko for our latest vlog. 2 to 9 and episode 2 to 9 entitled Comebacks and Goodbyes. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Naman na natin ay comeback. Okay, simulan natin. May na-comeback sa new time show ng TV5 ng EAT that May Mendoza balik EAT na after her wedding last July 28 sa Baguio City with Arjong Atade, which now Mrs. May Mendoza Atade. Congratulations, best wishes. Kahit na wala sa EAT from July to August na napunta pa rin sa Bali, Indonesia. Congratulations to Ma Salvador sa kasal. And si May Mendoza nag-attend sa isang film festival abroad. At na yan, nagbalik EAT na last August 17, 2020 with other Dabber cats. Namimiss ka namin si May Mendoza na for 1 month. 1 month? 1 month lang? Then, nagbalik na si May Mendoza. Para almost 1 month na yung wala. Na yun, nakabalik na sa Pilipinas for the show EAT. And, yung mga segments na balik, yung mga Sing It, at Give Me 5, Babala, and So Goodbye mga kapatid, nagka-welcome back. And congratulations to Triple A sa patanggap na pag-comeback ni May Mendoza sa EAT last August 17. And belated happy birthday, Tito Sen, Tito Soto. Happy birthday, belated. And na oras na para sa may goodbye sa show. Okay, ito na ang number 1 GMA program, Botis by Legacy, meets farewell next month, September 8, 2023. Starring Miguel San Felix, Ratson Flores, Matt Lozano, Rafael Landicho, and Isabel Ortega. Sabi sa source ng social media na goodbye na sa the show on September 8 after 5 months. 5 months kasi yung show. Kasi kalawan mo ang Batang Quiapo. Batang Quiapo, yun ang Kapamilya Channel. And of course, ang papanit ang Police by Legacy sa maging sino ka man, new show ng GMA starring Marvy Fortesa and David Ticangco. David Ticangco. Yan, David Ticangco. Ito yung show yan based on the movie starring Sharon Cuneta and Robin Padilla noong 90s. Mapapanood na natapos ang show sa September 8 for Botis by Legacy at papalit ang mag-isirang kaman sa September 11. And congratulations to the whole Botis by cast member kay Direct Mark Reyes kasi last 13 days nung recent video sa social media account. And congratulations. We hope on September 8 will be last episode of the show's Japanese anime series turned live action series. Ayan, congrats! Botis by, we love you and thank you GMA. For our latest vlog and hope to see you next vlog. Bye! God bless!